Hello, today in this short tutorial I will show you how to change Instagram date of birth. It's pretty simple. Open the Instagram app on your device. Tap on your profile icon located at the bottom right corner of the screen to go to your profile page. On your profile page, tap on the Edit Profile button, which is usually located next to your username. Scroll down to find the Personal Information section. In the personal information section, you will see your current date of birth. Tap on the date of birth field to edit it. A calendar should appear, allowing you to select a new date of birth. Use the calendar to choose the desired date of birth that you want to display on your Instagram profile. After selecting the new date of birth, scroll to the bottom of the page and tap on the Save button to save your changes. Surely this video helped you a lot. If yes, please like this video and don't forget to subscribe to our channel and share this video with others. Thanks for watching.